Think about the last time you went to a gym or a pool. You walk in, grab locker number 42, and stuff your bag inside. The locker has a fixed number painted on it so you can find it again, and right now it holds your stuff. Later you come back, open 42 by its number, and swap your sweaty shirt for a clean one. The locker stayed put, only what was inside changed. That is exactly how a computer remembers things, using something called a variable. A computer's memory is a long wall of lockers, each with its own number called an address. A variable is just a friendly name you tape on one locker, so you do not have to remember the number. Inside that locker sits one value, like your bag, and you can read it anytime. You can also swap the value out for a new one whenever you want. The name stays the same, even when the thing inside changes. We tape a name on a locker and put a value inside it. We read what is inside the locker by using its name. We swap the contents for something new, the locker is the same. The name score now shows the brand new value. We can label another locker with a different name and value. Python even tells us where the locker physically sits in memory. A variable is just a named locker in memory that holds one value you can read or swap. Restate it, same name, swappable contents. You already use this idea constantly. Your gym locker, your mailbox number, and your phone contact names all work like variables. Subscribe to Tech with Joel.